the day, the Best Spirited School Award is a constant thing, alright? So you guys will be judged all the way until the end of the day. So you have to make some noise!